Good evening, everyone. I'm Prantik Chakraborty from IEEE CS, and I'm continuing the TechNiche series. And today the topic will be VS Code and its uses. What is VS Code? VS Code is a powerful developer tool like intelligence, code compression, and debugging. It is developed by Microsoft, and it is one of the best. Ideally, means it is a you can say handful ideally where you can edit in your own way, and we can do any kind of programming, web dev, any kind of language we can do in VS Code. And it's I will say it's the most uh, powerful, you can say, and ideally it is. We all know that for C++, we use dev C. For Java, BlueJ is there. For Python, that open that Python programming language, that py, that comes, and even IntelliJ is there for each and every coding language. But whereas VS Code is a combination of this, we can use any kind of language in this code. See, it can be downloaded in Mac OS, Linux, and Windows, so you don't have to worry about that. Now let me check that whether I am having VS Code or not. Otherwise, I'll show you how to download it also. I think I have VS Code, so just wait for a second. I will cross this one. I'll uninstall the VS Code from my system. See, it is the Microsoft Visual Studio Code. I'm uninstalling it. Yeah, see, it is successfully uninstalled from my computer. Now I'll be downloading VS Code. So I'll be opening Google Chrome, VS Code. So here it comes, VS Code. I'll be clicking here, and since I'm using Windows, so I'll be downloading the stable one. Obviously, you have to download the stable one. For Mac OS, it is there. For Linux, is also it is there. So for Windows, just click on the stable one. Automatically, this page will appear. Yeah, VS Code setup. Since I've already downloaded it, so it's showing. So I'm not downloading it again. Or else wait, I'll download. What will only happen? A space, some space will be gone. Let it be. Mm, yeah. See, it says successfully downloaded. I'll be opening it. You have to read this agreement, and you'll be, by scrolling down, you can read this agreement like this. Be clicking next, next, next. You all want to add one desktop icon, so yeah, we'll be creating one, and you have to click in both of these options as well. I'll explain you later that why I have clicked on these two. Others, it's same. Next, install. Since I'm using SSD, so it's installing fast. Those who are using HDD, it will take time, so don't worry about that. Yeah, so I'll be clicking finish. It will appear as launch VS Code. So this is the welcome page of VS Code. This one. Since I was using some languages, so that's why. Now, why I first let me tell you that why I have selected that both of those two options. Means I'm showing you again that which both options I'm telling. Oh, sorry, I won't. Mm, if I open this folder, no, you can open VS Code in this directory as also. Since I'm using Windows 11, so it is showing this. So yeah, open with code. The moment I'll open VS Code in through this folder, it will automatically show me that how many files are there in this folder, how many what kind of files is also there, it will show. See, CPP hello, hello pi HTML. So obviously CPPC language, sorry, जो भी हो, you can code in C, Python, C++, Java. Even you can do HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in VS Code. I've told you earlier also. For this C, we need extension. Obviously, we know that .c, .py, .html, these all are extensions. VS Code is just an ideally a blank ideally, where we have to insert these extensions so that we can use. So for inserting these extensions, we have to go to this extension option here, and we have to type. For C, I'll type obviously C, and the first one C or C++, Microsoft.com. It is also given by Microsoft. Since I have installed earlier also, since I am using you can say from 2018 I'm using VS Code, so it's showing like this. So you have to click here install option, and then automatically it will get installed. Same wise Python. Python is also same, and same wise Java. Yeah, extension pack for Java. So same wise we have to do. Okay. See, a C program is there. Enter sum of two numbers. From where I'll run. Run option is here. We can run it from here. Start debugging, and then it will automatically get run. Otherwise, here is a small icon is there. Just click down this arrow. Run the code or run CS file. That's up to you. I'm doing run code. So two numbers 4, 8. See, it's showing 12. Yeah, so see, sum of two numbers I did, it's showing 12. Now, tell me one thing. There's one thing I'm saying you that I told you that a VS Code we can use it. It's the most convenient way to use. It's very handy. It's very useful. I told all this. Many of us are lazy, including me also. That to type all this include stdio.h int main, then return zero and all. We just always want to come to the main topic. So we can add boilerplate. Boilerplate means the moment we'll be typing just that VS Code is there. In VS Code, we have to just type uh, boilerplate. On the moment it will come like this. See, include stdio.h int main return 0 this. But the thing is that it will not automatically come. The moment you will type it won't become. We have to do some changes here. So what we will do, we'll go to the settings. We'll be going to user snippets. For C, I am saying obviously you'll be clicking this C JSON, and here this portion it will, since I've used it many times ago, so it's showing like this. It will show like this previously. The moment we'll first install it. What we have to do, we have to uncomment this one. Then in the boilerplate prefix, we have to write C boilerplate in the prefix. Okay, we'll write that. Basically, it's up to you that which you want to write. Obviously, you want to write boilerplate. Now, it's for which language? For that reason, I have written C. For CPP, I'll be writing CPP boilerplate. In the body portion, you'll be typing this one. Include stdio.h int main $2 return 0. This one. The moment I'll write this, just wait. Let me go again so that I can show you that it works. Wait. It was like this. Okay. So what I did, I just uncomment this one. I just typed here that what boilerplate I am using. Then I'll be writing this one, this thing. I have commented it previously. Now see, I'll be typing here boilerplate. It won't be showing anything. But the moment I'll uncomment this one, it will start showing. C boilerplate. Enter C. This came. So like this, you can use this. Not for C only. You can use it for C, PP as well, for C, Java as well, and for Python. I don't. Yeah, for Python also you can use, but it's obviously a very short type language, so we don't require that much boilerplate for Python. So yeah, this this is for the time that you have used this one. I've shown you the output how to take out. I told you that we can also use it for web dev. Obviously, for HTML, we'll be creating one index file first, index.html. It is mandatory. So we'll be writing this one. And what we used to do, we used to go to the folder that where we have saved. Let me check. I have saved it in uh, coding folder. The directory is coding. Okay. I've opened the folder. So yeah. See .html means a web page has been created. HTML document. I'll be clicking here and it's showing like this. Now let us assume that I have changed something. No, not assume. I'll be changing something. Wait. My first paragraph, and now I'll be typing. My name is Prantik. Wait. My name is Prantik Chakraborty. Did it show any changes? See? No, right? In VS Code, we can use one feature that is live server. What is live server? The moment you'll be typing anything here in the HTML document, HTML program, in the web page, it will automatically gets updated. I'll show you how to do that. For live extension, you have to go to again extension for live server. You have to type live server. This will come. The first one you have to install it. Since again I'm saying you that I'm using VS Code since 2018. So yeah, it is already installed in here. So you'll be going to live server. You'll be installing it, and then it will appear here. Go live. Okay. Wait. Yeah. I'll be clicking go live here. It is starting. See, port 505. See, obviously it's showing my name is Prantik Chakraborty here. Then just wait, since I've already typed it. Now I'm doing some more changes. Wait, I study in Vellore Institute of Technology. See, it automatically gets updated. I didn't have to do anything. Neither I have to close the VS Code, go to that file or open that one. No, I'm just typing and it's automatically showing here. So this is one of the best feature in VS Code which I like the most while doing web dev. It actually saves time for the web developer who is developing the web page also. So yeah, this live server thing. And the moment you want to stop, you can stop it. So yeah, that's the thing. And ah, of course. In VS Code, I forgot to show you something that we can identify where the error is. Like, suppose I've written number 2 here, and I've written number in here also, here also, here also. See, automatically a red line has occurred. Automatically, a red line has occurred. Whereas in normal C++ program, we don't. The moment we'll run, we'll get. But here we are before running only we are getting. So yeah, we can check that. Okay, number is there. It is showing under in the number section. So what was the number section I have written? There is no number. I have written number two. So yeah, that's my fault then. Number two. I'm typing. I'll be thinking that okay, now it will be working fine. Then see again here it is showing. Okay, number two. Since it's a small code, we can easily see that okay, here the number is like this. Suppose it's a 260 line code. So automatically we won't be finding that where the error is, where there is the automatically it will show lines here. So yeah, we can see. Yeah, it's a preview window. Obviously, it's very small, so yeah, we can't see it. You can zoom in, zoom out, and you can also change the theme. Obviously, it's light, so I can change theme, color theme. You can go to any version, GitHub Lite. So this is GitHub Lite. To be very honest, I hate this light and all. I love the dark one. So I'll be going dark, dark. Where is dark? Yeah. So 17 Dark Visual Studio. It is there. Then just both are same only. So yeah, which has a dark one, which is nice. Here is one another thing that is the keyboard shortcuts. You can see from here that where you have to go and all. Oh, and I forgot to tell you one thing also. Suppose you have to copy this sentence in line number 9 also. Means this is a blank one. You have to copy the same thing which is in line 8 in line 9. What you will do, you'll be placing the cursor here. You'll be clicking Shift Alt and the down arrow in your laptop or PC, whatever you are using. Done. So like this you can use it. Obviously it's very handy and it's very easy to use this one. For commenting out, you'll be clicking CTRL plus forward slash, so it gets comment out. So yeah, this you can do. And what I was saying, yeah, keyboard shortcuts, you can see the keyboard shortcuts from here as well. Automatically a bar will come here. So if you are doing some and if you want to see some keyboard shortcuts, you'll be just searching here and then automatically you'll be again doing the keyboard shortcuts here. And user snippets, I told you that how to do that. Now see file icon theme. Even you can use this file icon. You can change the file icon theme as well in VS Code, which is one of great feature. Basically, the moment you will be installing it, the moment you will be typing .c or .cpp, it will show you like this C, this Python, this HTML. The moment you'll be changing the themes, minimal, it will be showing a minimal means one of the worst icons, I think. Material means the colorful ones you'll be getting. So yeah, you can use it from here as well. And yeah, the next portion is that if you want to, place the cursor at two lines, okay, you can do that in VS Code. What you have to do, you have to place the cursor in a where you want to place it, you can place there. And after that, just press Alt key from your keyboard or computer, whatever you are using. Then again, place the cursor in another position. So you can check that I have two cursors. See, I am having two cursors. Here you can add something, or if you want to delete, you can delete also. So yeah, it's like that. For all these kind of things only, I love VS Code a lot. And as I told you, you can also add GitHub Copilot. Yeah, GitHub Copilot is basically about GitHub. My friend Nitish has already told in the first video. So GitHub Copilot is basically an AI tool. If you give suggestions to it in VS Code only, if you give suggestions, it will automatically provide the with the code. Or if you want to know some suggestions, then it will automatically give suggestions for the code. So how will you install it? You'll be going to extensions. You'll be typing GitHub here since I have downloaded it. So yeah, since I've installed it, I told you that I used it for a very long time. So you can install it from here. This option will come automatically since it is showing deactivate. So activated it previously only. So okay. The moment you will install it, it will come there, and what you will do is that if you have GitHub, then you have to sign in to GitHub Copilot. You have to sign in with GitHub to use GitHub Copilot. So then you can just the codes will automatically be shown in your GitHub as well, and you can get suggestions from GitHub also. And one more thing, without internet also you can use this live server thing. See, my internet is not working. Okay, now see it is off. So I can go to live and see it is showing. I will show you something. I am a Transverse. Hello, Institute of Technology. I am currently in my third year. In third year, sorry, I am currently in third year, pursuing BTech in CS. See, it is working. So this live server also doesn't need any kind of internet and all. So without internet also you can do, just for installations and all you need VS Code and all those extensions which you want to install and all. Even you can install API here. API means obviously you can use API for creating many things. And it's the release note, whatever portion is getting released day by day of this VS Code. So they are showing. So yeah, that's it. And for VS Code, basically we all computer science students we love to use VS Code. Uh, since I have told you that it's the most compact thing and compact ideally to be very honest, and it becomes very easy for each and every one of us to use this. And I'll also recommend you all to use this one only. Others you can use, but having a compact thing makes things easier. So yeah, I've given the link for downloading the VS Code here only. As I've showed you, just you have to download the VS Code from Google. That's it. Other things, those extensions and all, you can get it from here only. You have to go to the extension, just type whatever extension you want to download, just click there, name, automatically done. So yeah, that's it for VS Code, and from this link you can get. So yeah, thank you. Have a nice day.